20-unit Boston area grocery chain Roche Bros isn't planning on growing anytime soon. It's comfortable where it's at. Supermarkets are hard. Operations manager Artie Kroese told Supermarket News about potential plans for expansion outside the current location for the Mansfield, Massachusetts brand. The brand has little open rooms that are set off to the side for each section, like cheese, floral, meat, seafood, and more. One thing that stands out in the meat department at Roche Bros' latest store is the smoker, which has performed well for sales. And in the prepared food section, look out for the bolognaise. Kroese said it's one of the chain's signature items and it's on the way to becoming something the store is known for. He even told Supermarket News it's better than his mother-in-law's bolognaise.